Let's talk about the equation, number one here. Come on, somebody. 84,000 M.
She could you just name
The 9.1.
Did you say Miss Goldberger?
800.
Did you say Miss put us?
Does anyone have any questions about that? I see a lot of people writing it down, which breaks my heart, because that means we didn't do one thing like writing down the equation. Does anyone have any questions about that equation? Okay. Can you explain where you got this equation from?
Number up there, so I basically do how much each worker gets paid each year,
Okay.
and then
So each worker makes 36,000 a year.
the 2-lane road is.
Well, let's talk about that a little bit more. So why did you got 36,000 sure, but why did you then multiply it by P?
Because we gotta find the number of people that work each of these 2 lanes.
Okay, and so we don't know how many people are working, right? You've explained to me the 36,000. You explained to me the P. Why did you multiply?
You know, each person can pay 30,000, so we repeated it.
There we go. Right? Kyle, does that make sense? Like, the idea is that every person that is hired is going to make 36,000 extra, so we're going to repeatedly add that 36,000. That's where that's coming from. That's something we got to hold on to, because anytime we see that repeated addition, we need that multiplication there. That's kind of what defines a linear function. So, Kyle, could you explain where this came from then? So that is the cost of resurfacing a 2-lane road, mile of 2-lane road. So why is it being multiplied by M? Why is it not just 84,000? Okay, so why do we need to multiply by how many miles? Okay, so it's more than one, there's something else we need to add in there. Because we're what?
Repeatedly add.
Because there's probably more than one, or at least an unknown number of miles. There could just be one, right? Because there's an unknown number of miles, we're going to repeatedly add those miles. You cannot forget that. If you see anything that's indicating repeated addition, we're going to multiply there. So when we add those two costs up, it would equal, if we use the entire budget, 1,962,800. Okay? We all get on number one? I want us to take about 10 minutes, hopefully no more than that. Think about and use what we did in 9.2 to help you tackle number 2. If you know what you're doing, cool. Talk with your group to make sure everyone else knows what they're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, great. That's a great time to ask questions and to learn and to grow. All right? Work with each other to grow and to learn. Let's get after it.
That hurts.
That hurts, I know.
Ah, God.